Hello guys, today we'll be opening every single pack of the lightning round section. Let's start. This is loud, bro. Loud drop. Icon pack. See Lars, really. Best. He's the best. North Macedonia? No. Northern Ireland player, best. I mixed up the names. Northern Macedonia and Northern Ireland. I kind of mixed the names up. If 100 players back. Oh my god. Who is it? Oh my god. Really bad. So bad. Team of the season live. Weaver. Oh, Mojika. Talks back. Let's see Sugawara. God, bro, these are scams. Days. Brilliant. Patrick is not my cards, man. Yeah, we do have some big packs to open. So toss champions pick. Give us a big card level. Oh, isn't that bad? Cancel. Marta. Oh god, okay, Busquets. Toss champions back. Oh yeah, I forgot the Premier League and Ws. Is it hemp? God. Premier League and WSL. Come on! Heck, Kitty. Five. Oh, De Bruyne! Sick joke. You didn't stay in that budget. Can I stay here for now? I'm not even looking at the players. I don't know how are we still in this budget. Oh, we got 4.9 million from that. 4.2 million. Oh my god, Joe Bellingham. We just made it there. Okay. Didn't even look at the players. I just sold them. I didn't care. Lucy out. That was a profit. Thanks for the first time. The fact is that 1 million coins. It's a lot. And we don't even get. I mean, there are some good players. Yeah, we just got him. But they're not always gonna be the best players in the world. Why does this just happen? So we're down to 1.9 million coins. What's going on with our budget? Where it's just going up and down. I don't know if we can afford some of these picks now. Okay, we might need to make some money, so I'll probably sell some players later on. 500,000 coins. Nothing! Oh my Oh my god, I got a 90. Syria red dots. I'm using a lot on this one. Come on, Nevada, don't didn't give us our money back, but that wasn't a bad one. I hate this. I hate it when I get 90 rated cards. Come on, man. Okay, that wasn't good. That was actually bad. Oh my god. Whoa. I can't afford many cards. Maybe don't need cards. You know what? I'll sell some players and I'll be back. We are up to 4 million coins. Now we can afford both of these. All 85 and then the 84 plus 30 times 30. 84 plus 30. This is the big one. Okay. These are high. I will actually take that. Bye-bye. That's all for today.